So here, now I have desire, I have ambition, there is greed in acquiring something, there is anger also in me. How do I act then is given to me in the scriptures, and I must follow accordingly. Once done, then this path to liberation is not only that, yes, it makes it easier, but also there is that one will attain the ultimate goal only through this way. Most of us, when we are prompted by our desire, we do what we like, what we want, and we think in that is our freedom, isn't it? If I get to live a life just doing what I like to do, what I want to do, then I think, wow, that is the ultimate thing in life. But it is not. It's really not. You know how many times, if you just go back our own life experiences and see that many a times we would have done things thinking that yes, this would give me happiness, but we have not found it to be there. We it may have given us happiness at that time, but the next day that happiness has waned away. Or after some time you found that maybe I should not have done that, I should have done something else. So you see, there is no end to it. And another thing, when we begin to think that whatever I like if I get to do and whatever I want if I get to do, what happens is slowly we see that we are becoming slaves to our own mind. So then we are driven by this mind which is chanchala. It is restless anyway. And we are constantly becoming restless because the mind is taking us in one direction today, another direction tomorrow. And we find ourselves wavering all the time. We are not settled anywhere. But if we follow the injunctions as described in the scriptures, then yes, there are very many ways, we understand from the teachers, from the experts who can interpret these scriptures. They will tell us, oh, according to me, this is not the time, this is not something that you need to get into right now. And if we can, refrain from doing that, then you will see how liberated you are actually in the long run. And you also do not become a slave to your own mind. We like to do what we want rather than what is right.